guys, welcome to Love for Nature Farm. Today we are looking at pawpaw farm. All this while people have been asking me, are you sure that this pawpaw you are posting on your status is real as you posted it? I said yeah. So you can see today, you're going to see with your eyes the type of pawpaw we have here. See the height. These ones are just coming up. You see the other one. You can only get this from Love for Nature Farms. Who did this? This is our handwork. This is what we do. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I told you I'm going to shock you. This is what we do here. Only this is what I know. I sleep, dine, and wake up. Only doing agriculture. Look at this one again, beautiful. You can see. This is this. In case you need this, we'll have the yellow type and we'll have the red species of it, and they're very sweet. You don't need to climb to cut them, you don't need to climb to harvest them. You just stand them. Take it this way. That's all. So this is another ladyband. This one is now for Tenera trees. We just came today to inspect the place, do some pegging in preparation for the normal farming. This is Love for Nature. It can only be done by Love for Nature. If it's not Love for Nature, then I mean nothing goes. So keep tuned to Love for Nature Farms. Anything farming, we are there.